Tracking your Pandabuy order is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can track your Pandabuy order. So the process is pretty simple. So for that we will go to the Pandabuy's website, which should be pandabuy.com. Now here you have to make sure to log into your account. Now after logging into your account, you simply have to click on your profile, then you have to click on this order section. It will show you all of your previously placed orders right here. Now in order to track your order, there should be the tracking number right here after you've placed the order. Currently these orders I have not placed it, these are only in my cart. Now once you've placed it, you will easily be able to see the tracking number. You just have to copy that tracking number. After copying that, you have to go to Google and there you have to search for 17 track. After clicking on that, you have to go to the first website, which should be www.17track.net. Now here you have to paste the tracking number and then click on this track and it will tell you all the details and it will track the order for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.